What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're at it again with another video. Today we're going to talk about the AiScell smartphone holster. Personally, I like holsters. I think they look cool, they provide added protection, and they free up pockets. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So there isn't much of an unboxing here, there's just the holster. So let's talk about the design. This holster features a nylon canvas design which provides all-around protection. The sides of the case stretch to accommodate phones of varying thickness. There is a Velcro flap door. Now if we look at the Velcro flap here, you can see that the soft side of the Velcro is going to be taller, and that's going to allow you to accommodate for shorter or taller phones. So a taller phone is going to show more of the Velcro, and a shorter phone is going to show less of the Velcro. The interior of the holster back is made from a soft material that's going to provide adequate protection for your smartphone. The interior of the holster front is going to be made of the same nylon canvas material as seen on the outside. This holster also features a pen stylus loop, which is perfect for holding a Pilot G2 combination pen stylus. Now when it comes to mounting the holster, there are actually 4 mounting options. Our first option is the metal clip, which has the depth to cover the width of most belts. Our second option is the carabiner clip hook, which allows us to attach the holster to different items. Options 3 and 4 will be the built-in fabric mounts, which allow you to mount the holster in either portrait or landscape mode. So let's grab the Pixel 4 XL and slide it into the holster. That's going to be a snug fit, but there's going to be little resistance. And then we've got the Velcro flap. That's just going to pull right over. It's going to cover the whole screen, and you'll see we won't have any Velcro showing there. Now if this was a taller phone, or maybe I had a larger case like the previous case I had, which was an OtterBox Defender Series rugged case, then the Velcro flap may only close to about right there, and you'll see some of the Velcro still be exposed. So final thoughts. The Velcro flap is secure, but it is a bit of a task to undo at times. That being said, I may look for a holster that looks pretty much the same but has a magnetic closure. Then we have that pen stylus mount, which is a welcomed addition. This is a great option for anyone who's always wanted a stylus to use with their smartphone, but never had a place to put it. Then we have the included carabiner clip. That's a small add-on, but it's a nice little option to have to mount this holster to other items. Then we have the fabric and metal mount options, which are superior to traditional clip mounts. Overall, I like this holster. It has a tactical feel to it, and that's why we like these things. They look and feel kind of cool. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or I would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way you can support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. When they see likes and subscribers, they think that the videos are helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.